Today we talk about how can you find friends on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, clicking this sign down here. When you just click on it, so when you just click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on friends, and here you will find all friends you have. I have only here Platbot. That's only what I have here. I have no friends yet. But if you have them here, can you find them in this list on your Plato app? So that's all you have to do to find here your friends on Plato app. So if you have them, you will find them here in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.